we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian for writing a book. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian and click the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the list of options, open the Community Plugins section, then click Browse and search for the long-form plugin. When it appears in the search results, install it and click Enable so the plugin becomes active and ready to use. After the installation is complete, close the settings window and create a new folder for your book, using a descriptive name such as My Novel Manuscript to keep your writing project organized. Next, right-click that folder and choose Create Long-Form Project. Then enter a name for your project and click Create to finish the initial setup. Once your project is ready, click the book icon in the top toolbar to open the long-form panel, where you can manage your scenes and organize your manuscript. Create your first scene and give it the name Chapter 1, The Awakening, making it clear that this is the opening section of your story. Open the scene note and begin writing your story, adding your characters, dialogue, and descriptions directly into the page. As your manuscript continues to grow, return to the long-form panel whenever you need to create additional scenes, allowing each chapter or section to stay separate and easy to manage. If you later decide that a scene works better in a different position, simply drag and drop it into a new location to rearrange the order of your story. When you are ready to produce a complete manuscript, open the Compile tab inside the long-form panel and review the available compile options if you want to adjust how the final document is generated. After confirming that everything looks the way you want, click Compile to combine every scene into a single manuscript that brings your entire project together in one organized document.